Hello children, today we are going to see patterns. In patterns we are going to see block patterns. The key words in this topic is patterns, shapes and impressions. We are going to see hide and seek. What is a hide and seek? It's a kannambuchi vilayattu. Okay kids? Okay. During a rainy season, Inba the rabbit. Inba is a rabbit and his friends. Who are his friends? Dog, cat, cow, hen, duck and horse are Inba's friends. Are playing the hide and seek game. Help him to find his friends who are hiding in the farm. See here, Inba, the rabbit is sitting and closed his eyes. These friends are going to hide in a farm. It is a wet floor because it is raining there. Okay, it is a rainy season and the floor is wet. So their feet are spread in the mud. It has separate patterns for each and every animals. See here, it's cow's legs, this is hens and this is ducks, cats and dogs' feet. The Inba rabbit can easily find their friends using the patterns of their legs. Okay, these are different patterns of animals' footstep. Next, we can make creative patterns in shapes using thumb as shown below. We use the thumb impression here. Okay, thumb impression and draw a bee. It is a honeybee, it's a flower. See here, it is a pattern. First, it is honeybee and flower. Honeybee and flower. It makes a pattern, continuous pattern. Okay, see here, we have drawn a fish using the thumbnail impression. This is also a pattern. How this pattern goes? 2 fish, 1 duck. 2 fish, 1 duck. Okay, it is a pattern. And also we can create patterns in shapes using potatoes. We cut a potato like this. We cut a potato like flowers and draw a pattern. See the colors first: orange, red and yellow. Likewise, orange, red, yellow. Orange, red, yellow. See this? This impression is made with a leaf. With a leaf, it's a pattern. Okay. Identify and complete the pattern using thumb. You use your thumb and draw pictures here. Okay, children. First, it's a crab and it is a rat. Crab and rat. Use the pink color for crab and ash color for rat. Use your fingers and draw this, complete this pattern. Likewise, do this pattern and complete this pattern. Okay children, see here, what pattern is this? It is a lady's finger pattern. Cut the lady's finger and dip in the red color and complete this flower. Okay children, like this you have to complete this. See this, it is a leaf caterpillar. It's a leaf pattern. This pattern is leaf pattern and it is a leaf caterpillar. Next is patterns in shapes. Keywords are shapes and patterns. Observe and continue the patterns. See here, it's a upside down triangle and it is a straight triangle. Upside down triangle and straight triangle. Likewise, you draw and complete this. See here, it is a rectangle. Vertical, rectangle, horizontal. It's vertical and it's horizontal. Like complete it. You have to draw a vertical and next a horizontal rectangle. Next one is a upside down triangle, circle, upside down triangle and a circle. Next also a upside down triangle and a circle. Like that, you also draw this and complete this pattern. See here, it's a Pongal celebration picture. See the color patterns, how they decorate the place, decorate the school. See how the colors are arranged. Is this nice? Yes children. See these patterns in shapes. First one is square and two triangles are placed, and a square, two circles are placed. It is a square and two circles. Square and two circles. Likewise, two rectangles and two circles placed vertically. See here, this is another pattern. See the third one. First one is a rectangle and a triangle, circle. Rectangle, triangle, circle. Likewise, it goes. It is a patterns in shapes. See and observe, children. Thank you, children.